Napakaswerteng araw po muli sa inyong lahat, mga kapatid at kasing like-minded. At ito, just want to share you something na kakaiba dahil nalak mo na, B?
Yeah.
It's a personal thing para makita din ng ibang tao na may gusto silang pabilin sa atin. And para makita natin ano bang gagawin natin kapag may ganitong klaseng sitwasyon. Yeah. Kimi, susi ka na?
No.
Kuha ka ng susi doon. Wala akong susi dito.
Okay.
Sorry. Ay, sorry. Meron pala. Taralas ko na. Ayan na. Ayan. So, bali, pupunta kami sa Shoppers. Para, actually, yung bibilin talaga namin, o yung unang nag-message sa akin na magpapabili ay yung anak kong lalaki. Dahil meron siyang kaklase or friend na mag-birthday bukas at gusto magpabili ng regalo. So yung bibilin syempre parang ano lang, Roblox card lang. Ano yun? Ayan, oh, lock daw. Ba't dito tayo banda dumaan? Diyan ba tayo dadaan? Diyan na lang? Ha? Dito na lang? Sabay na to. Ngayon, anong oras na ba? Bali, almost 8 o'clock na. Pero parang maliwanag pa, no? Ayan, and kakatapos ko lang din mag-live. And aware naman ako sa anak kong babae. Pag may sinabi siyang gusto niyang sumama, titingin lang daw. Natatawa na siya. Alam ko may plano itong gustong bilhin. Yun naman lagi.
The best dad ever.
Bakit the best dad?
Huh?
Bakit the best dad?
Because I appreciate you so much.
Why do you appreciate me so much? I was wondering.
Because I'm really glad that you became my dad.
Yeah. Oh, we know that. Yeah. Bakit nga? Why? What's... nandun na tayo. Why? What makes you appreciate it so much?
Wait, what do you mean?
Ano ba yung na-appreciate mo sa mga ginagawa ko? Bakit ganun?
Oh, taking care of me and giving me good advice.
Okay. Okay, which is I always do that. And how about the stuff that you want? Yung mga gusto mong bilhin.
Oh yeah, you always tell me like right time will come, you know, and after you always tell me like wait papa, ikat mo tong video kasi hindi ko alam.
Ha? It's okay lang. Okay lang. Hindi na kailangan ikat. Tagalog mo kasi.
Okay.
Oh.
So like you always say like kunwari my dream ako.
Oh, may
And
goal ka.
yeah, like I have dream, right? And after like
Tapos?
I'm about to give up, but then like you told me to like never give up, and I actually like achieved the dream, you know what I mean?
Ano example mo dun? Like what?
Oh, example, my iPad. I've been dreaming for years, and after you just said like be patient about it, and after that I was almost about to give up, and then after that you made like a solution of it, and actually like that will happen.
Nangyari, di ba?
Yeah, I got the iPad.
Yes, that's the thing.
Because I've been dreaming for like since I was like really young. And I feel like now I got it because of you.
That's
So
the thing.
proud of that.
I'm proud of you.
Okay,
Naniwala ka.
I mean, I'm so thankful for that.
Yeah. So, yun yung sinasabi ko kasi dati parang naiyak na siya, ano nangyari, ganito, ganon. Sabi ko, maniwala lang kasi. May times pa na pagdating namin dun sa bilian ng tablet, hindi nga agad mabigay, naiyak siya. Kala niya wala na. Sabi ko, maghintay ka. Narating yun, nung dumating din, umiyak din siya. Di siya makapaniwala, meron na.
Yeah.
And tapos nung about naman kay Daniel Caesar.
Oh my goodness, Daniel Caesar, I'm so happy, guys. Because you know, 2 days ago, I just went to Daniel Caesar concert. It was the best thing I've ever seen, bro. Like that was actually like I'm so like happy. Like I literally just got healed from Daniel Caesar music, bro.
Healed talaga.
Like no joke at all.
So yan. So just wanna share din na sa inyo, no, na binabahagi ko rin sa kanya to, pero it takes so much time kasi nga hindi naman siya agad naniniwala. So kailangan niyang ma-experience yun, na kailangan ko mag-experience sa kanya kasi yung nangyari. So matagal yan siyang nanonood, meron pang parang free na ginawa si Daniel pop-up kung saan dito sa Canada, hindi siya nakapunta. Pero hangad niya makita si Daniel Caesar sa isang concert, ganyan. So dumating yung time, nagkaroon ng chance nung meron na, ako 3 months ago, binili na namin siya ng ticket. Nung binili namin ng ticket, parang may mali pa kaming nabilhang website. Parang mas napamahal pa. Pero nabili na namin. Kinakabahan siya kung lalabas ba ang ticket o hindi. Ginto ganun. Marami pa.
I asked ChatGPT if it's real and all that,
Ang
bro.
dami niya kung ano nung pinag-research na na siya, na anxiety na siya.
Yeah, because like if you go through my ChatGPT history, you're gonna see all Dara Caesar concert. Is this go ticket real? Like that, all that.
Ang dami kasi mga pinagsasabi kasi nga, again, if you're asking too much questions and then you're trying to find all the answers, it starts give you a doubt. Yung kasi yon. So nandyan na, it's already settled, nung lumabas ng ticket, yan, finally, dumating ng right moment. Kakapunta niya, nakapunta na siya to, nangyari na, and that's it. Kaya nga, every time meron kang pangarap, maniwala ka. You don't have to doubt. It's there, it's been already settled. Yung ganon, kaya ka lang doubt kasi nagiging impatient ka. It's the only thing. So, is there anything else that I have to prove from you?
Huh?
Meron pa ba kung kailangan ipruweba sa iyo about this kind of stuff?
No.
So you learn from that experience, right?
Yeah.
So again, pag may hinahangad ka, all you have to do is believe on it. Nandyan na yan. Alright?
Yeah. Bro, you know, pa in Dara Caesar concert, like first, I went to a wrong seat. For me, it's really far, and after that, when I actually went to my real cause, I was so near.
Mali pa pala na upuan mo.
Yeah, cause I thought it was 306. I was literally 307.
Okay, mas napalapit ka pa lalo.
Yeah, I went more near. Cause first I was here, after that I went there, so it was like more near.
Okay, so that's it.
Yeah.
Galing, ayos.
First I got Faye Webster and Dara Caesar. Cause Faye Webster is my favorite singer.
Ayos pala. So, yun po yung mga mga gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo na kahit paano pala na-influensyahan ko rin siya. Akala ko hindi. Gumagana din pala. So, siya na rin mismo nagpaliwanag and hopefully, panghawakan niyo na to at magtiwala siya palagi sa kanyang sarili pagdating sa pag may mga bagay siyang hinahangad. Okay, so yun lang po. Ano pang masasabi mo? Anong gusto mong sabihin sa ating mga viewers dito?
Like and subscribe.
Ganun. Yan lang. Maraming salamat. And I will see you again soon. Thank you po.